Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about Hong Kong free 500,000 round trip tickets. So we all know COVID-19 came and it really affected the world of tourism. So people really weren't traveling around the world. It was really difficult to move from one country. People were locked down in their various countries for years. So this thing really affected countries, especially Hong Kong, which is closer to the mainland China. So it became like people were really scared to go there. So it has really affected their tourism ecosystem. People are not really traveling there. So as an innovative country and someone who is really on top of their game, like they really thought, okay, so what can we really do to really get people to come to Hong Kong? So this is where they came up with this brilliant idea. So you can see here, say Hong Kong is ready to welcome visitors from all around the world with open arms and open doors. To send our biggest welcome to the world, Hong Kong is giving away 500,000 air tickets and over a million Hong Kong goodies, visitors consumption vouchers with citywide offers for visitors. This is really awesome, guys. This is crazy. So he said, come join the world of winners. Unwrap your Hong Kong goodies welcome gift and get ready for a trip of a lifetime at one of the world's greatest destinations. Oh my God. Hong Kong is really, really nice. And this is something that they are using to catch tourists around the world to come back and visit Hong Kong. So this is a great thing, guys. So as you can see, they have the biggest welcome to the world, which is 500,000 flight tickets. And they have so many goodies, right? So you ask yourself, okay, they are giving 500,000 worth of return flights. So how can I join? How can I take part? How can I, benefit and become part of this wonderful, lifetime experience? So I'll put the link in the description for you to go there. But first of all, you can just follow the link without knowing how to really get the good things out of this offer. So I'll be taking you through the steps on how to get this wonderful offer. It's just an amazing offer for you to travel around the world, travel Hong Kong. You go, you're not paying for like your flight tickets, both in and out of Hong Kong. So you come here, this is the biggest welcome. So you click join the World of Winners campaign now, and it takes you to the side. So it gives you welcome World of Winners. That is 500,000 giveaway. So amazing, so amazing. Can't just wait. So let me take you through. It says 500,000 more reasons to fly with Hong Kong International Airport. So are you ready to discover Hong Kong? Tickets will be given out in phases by airlines with a range of exciting promotion and activities on offer. So they've broken down this offer into three main phases. That is the first phase, which happens in March. That is next month. So people from Southeast Asia will be the first to enjoy the offer. So people from Southeast Asia will start getting their offers in March. So from then they move to mainland China in April. So people in mainland China can visit there and enjoy the trip. So from there, that is where they will bring it to Northeast Asia and other parts of the world. And that is going to happen in May. But wait, this is where it really hooks. You don't have to wait till like May if you are not in Southeast Asia or mainland China, because like by the time you wait and you think, okay, I'm waiting for May to come before you get there, people have already taken advantage of this great offer. So you stay tuned. You have to click here to get more info as to how you are going to participate. Important point to note. So you come here, it says the schedule. This gives the schedule of the giving away tickets. So The tickets giveaway campaign will be rolled out in phases according to the following schedules. That is, the exact launch date will be announced near to the date by airport authorities and by each airline, with the first phase starting from 1st March 2023 at Southeast Asian market. So this is the market. Southeast Asians will start in 1st March onwards. Mainland China from April onwards. Northeast Asia will start in May onwards. Hong Kong will be July onwards, and other markets in May. So this is the date that you have to keep note. So you keep track of the date and save it so that you can really participate in it. So you come in, how can you participate? Now you've taken note of the date, but the question is, how can you really participate? So it says, in due courses, you can either come back to this website. That is, I'll put the link in the description to get access to the participating airline designated web page, or go directly into airlines designated web pages to register your participation accordingly. So for example, if you are in one of the Southeast Asian markets and wish to win a ticket from where you are to Hong Kong, you can register through airlines relevant web pages or accessing airlines web page via dedicated websites of airport authorities starting from 1st March 2023. If you are in mainland and wish to win a ticket from mainland to Hong Kong, please check the information of the registration date at the end of March 2023. Same for other markets. So the tickets will be given away by different types of activities as lucky draws. First come, first serve. So this is what you have to take note. It says what? First come, first serve. So if you delay, that means you are not going to get it. So because it's on a rolling basis and it's like a lucky draw, and first people who come are the ones who are going to be served. Or buy one or more and get one free. So you buy one or more tickets and you get one free, as arranged by the participating airline depending on airline plans and local regulation. Further details will be provided by the respective airlines on their websites when launching the ticket giveaway activities. But you have to take important point into consideration. That is, please refer to the concerned airline's website for details on giveaway mechanisms. Tickets sponsored by airline authorities are economy class. So the tickets that will be given out for free are economy class and its related charges, but fees and taxes will be taken care of by like the ticket winner. So if you're a ticket winner, you have to take care of like your taxes and the rest. All tickets are round trip, so to and from Hong Kong, subject to restrictions and terms and conditions as imposed by airlines. Please contact the airline concerned for further details and ticket arrangements. So you have to contact the airline for like their terms and conditions. So it says the Hong Kong airline giveaway World of Winners ticket campaign. So World of Winner is a campaign that gives away free airline tickets, like I said, to travelers in mainland markets to stimulate the air traffic, particularly inbound travel to Hong Kong, and promote the recovery of the aviation industry, tourism, and economy of Hong Kong. About 500,000 tickets will be given away to travelers in major passenger markets. Majority of them will be distributed in phases by 3 home-based airlines: Cathay Pacific Airline, Hong Kong Express, and Hong Kong Airlines through their respective channels in major passenger market by different mechanisms such as lucky draw, first come first serve, buy one or more get one free, or games. A certain portion of the ticket will be provided to the travel, trade, and government bodies for promoting tourism in Hong Kong. Apart from the 500,000 tickets for overseas travelers, around 80,000 tickets will be given away through the airline in Hong Kong residents in summer 2023. In addition to the 60,000 tickets provided to local residents to encourage vacations in 2021, some tickets will be given away in Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area. In total, more than 700 tickets will be given away in them. That is the giveaway. On this distribution of the ticket, 65% of them will be given out by the airline through their direct channels or their agents. The remaining will be reserved for tourist related sectors to support inbound tourism and promote Hong Kong. Guys, this is it. You really have to take advantage of this thing. Take note and start preparing to get your 500,000 tickets. Guys, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. So many opportunities, so many things will be placed on this channel for you. Thank you.